Sabi niya,
Welcome to pizza.
no money.
I will tell you guys a secret. Not every maid can afford pizza.
Yeah.
We just make only baon, we cook at home. We prito in the kawali. We prito in the kawali.
Sinistorbo ka tuloy niyan.
We cannot afford, so if we eat pizza here in Hong Kong, you know what, we are happy. The McDonald's is just basic here already. Basic, Jollibee, KFC, basic here. But pizza,
And what else?
What else? In Sangyup.
What is that?
Sangyup. And then hot pot. It's
Hot
very
pot.
expensive here. Yeah, Korean. Why take so long?
I don't know. And what else?
Yeah, that's it. And
No,
in
any others?
Starbucks, we make only the $3 coffee. Nescafe 3 and 1.
And what else?
Yeah. They think OFW working here in abroad, they think we are rich, but they don't know. You see, we're wearing shade, wearing nice clothes, but at time like curfew time already, what we wear, what we carry, mop, vacuum, wash the dish, clean the
Toilets.
poops of the cat.
And
So
what
guys,
else you do?
remember, money is not easy here in abroad.
And why your order is very long?
I need to ask
No need